In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Wayfair customer support through chat, phone, and email with just a few simple steps. Starting with the basics will ensure that you can easily reach out to Wayfair to get the help you need. Whether you're experiencing issues with an order, have a question about a product, or need assistance with your account, getting in touch with a customer service representative is often the best way to resolve your concerns quickly and efficiently. First, open up your web browser and head over to wayfair.com. This is the official website where all of your transactions and inquiries regarding purchases will be managed. Once you're on the home page, look for the sign-in option, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it to log into your account. Be sure you have your credentials, your email, and password at hand for a smooth sign-in process. Remember, being logged in is crucial as it not only gives you access to your order history and account details, but also ensures that the support team can provide you with personalized assistance. Once logged in, the next step is to visit the Wayfair Help and Contact page. You'll find it by typing wayfair.com/help-contact directly into your browser's address bar, or by navigating through the customer service options on their website. This page serves as the central hub where you can explore different support resources. Now that you're on the Help and Contact page, take a moment to explore the various options available for receiving support. Wayfair offers several ways to reach out, including live chat, a phone call, or email. Choose the option that best fits your preference. If you need immediate assistance and quick feedback, live chat or a phone call might be your best bet. For less urgent queries, sending an email could be more suitable. After selecting your preferred support option, you'll be prompted to provide some details about your issue or question. Providing thorough and accurate information is key to receiving effective help. Include specifics such as order numbers, product IDs, or a detailed description of your issue. This context will help the Wayfair support team understand your situation better and expedite the resolution process. Once you've submitted your request or initiated contact, you're all set. You can now connect with Wayfair via your selected method, whether that's chat, phone, or email, knowing you've taken the correct steps to get the help you need. And that wraps up the process. I hope these instructions make it easy for you to reach Wayfair customer support the next time you need assistance. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other guides for more helpful tips.